Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use your start-stop system on or in your Audi A4 or S4 or Avant. The start-stop system can help to save fuel and reduce the CO2 emission. In start-stop mode, the engine is switched off automatically when the vehicle stops, for example, at the traffic lights. The ignition and the important supporting system, for example, the power steering, the brake servo, remain available during the stop phase. The engine is automatically started on demand. The start-stop system is automatically activated each time you switch on the ignition. The driver's door and the bonnet must be closed. And applied to an automatic gearbox, the transmission position P, N or D must be selected. Manual gearbox, the gear lever must be in neutral. The steering wheel must be relatively straight, and the vehicle must have been moving at over 3 km/h since the last stop. That means we have an always switch off and start system here, and we can then go and save fuel. In certain situation, the engine may stop earlier while the vehicle is still coasting. Direct transmission from coasting mode, okay? And automatic gearbox, if we select the selector lever of D after selection reverse gear, the car must be moving at over 10 km/h before the system can switch off the engine again. This allows us to maneuver the vehicle without the engine being switched off automatically. So if we are at the traffic light, for example, the only thing we have to do is stop the vehicle, shift to neutral, and then release the clutch. Job's done. It will be automatically switched off and go to a ready mode. That means the car is already on, but the ignition or the engine is not working. That saves fuel. If we are going to push the clutch down to switch into gear number 1, for example, then it will be automatically switched on the car's motor and the engine is then running again. So you can save a lot of fuel. When the vehicle stops, we put the gear lever in neutral and take our foot off the clutch pedal. The engine will switch off at the same time. An indicator lamp, this is an A with a red arrow around it, will appear, not a red, a green arrow around the A will appear in the information line at the bottom of the instrument cluster display, and that means you are in this mode, and of course you can then come out of it if you push down the clutch. If there is the engine is not warm or something else, or other basic conditions are not proved, then it is this in gray. So stop the vehicle, go to stop, and you are in that mode. If you are going to continue driving, you push down the clutch and the car will automatically start the engine and you can go back to the road again. So you can save fuel and makes a better job for nature. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.